I'm Betsy and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing one of my favorite types of quick energy snacks called the Cashew Cardamom Lemon Coconut Energy Bites. That's a mouthful, but it's a great snack and one that your kids and family will enjoy. Using our cashew cardamom butter, this is the base for the snack. So what we're going to do is add a half of a cup of the cashew cardamom butter. Now of course you could use any of my nut and seed butters, but I like the cashew cardamom because it has a really zippy taste. That cardamom pops a lot of flavor. Then when you combine it with the lemon and the coconut, it just makes the perfect combination. We're then going to add half of a lemon juiced. We're going to add some nice fresh lemon zest. That's what gives it that nice fresh flavor, and actually the cardamom picks up some citrus and lemon scent, so this is a really nice pairing. And you could of course add a little bit more lemon if you really like that lemon zest flavor. Then we're going to add a little tablespoon of honey just to add a little sweetness. Now of course if you're vegan and you want to add an agave nectar, you could do that, or if you're really trying to watch your sugar content, you don't have to add the honey. And that's it. So we're just going to stir this together. Okay, until you get a nice little mixture such as this. Now if you want to add a little bit of shredded coconut into this mixture before you roll it in the coconut, that's fine if you want to add a little coconut flavor. We're just going to leave it as is. So we're going to take a little scoop to help you form it into a ball. This is where it gets a little bit messy, so make sure you have some nice clean hands. You roll it into a ball shape, and then you're just going to dip it into your coconut shreds. Now if your family's not fond of coconut, you don't have to use coconut shreds on the outside. Maybe you can just sneak them on the inside. But we call these little snowballs at our house. So they make this nice little bite-sized energy bite. It's packed with nutrition, packed with fiber, but also the most important thing is it's packed with flavor. Made with your Betsy's Best cashew butter, one of my favorite treats. From my kitchen to yours, have a healthy day.